So we have Nurse Rebecca here, who has a hiatal hernia, acid reflux GERD. She is taking famotidine and Gaviscon, right? And in the morning and at night. And last night she did not take it, and we did the hiatal hernia maneuver on you. Was it yesterday?
Yesterday.
Yes. See, oh, my memory's not good. But we did the hiatal hernia maneuver on her yesterday, and again, she did not take the medication last night.
Better.
Okay.
Significantly better than the way that I was feeling, because I didn't sleep for 3 days. So last night.
Prior to that.
Yep. So last night was the first time I slept.
Okay, great. And now explain to people what kind of symptoms you're having.
Yeah. So I was having chest palpitations, GERD, regurgitation. What else? Anxiety, like just waking up out of my sleep because I felt like I couldn't lay all the way down.
The less common symptoms, the heart palpitations, the panic attacks, the acid reflux, the GERD, the food regurgitating back up that so many of you suffer from. One treatment of the hiatal hernia maneuver, and we're going to send her home with a reflux shield so she can now do it from the comfort of her own home. So that's it. So we'll show you how we do that, folks. All right. Okay, so here's the reflux shield, but first I'm going to do it by hand. Okay, she traveled all the way over here to have me treat her, but we are going to send her home with a reflux shield. You can buy these. We ship them worldwide. Okay, free shipping in the US. And let's go ahead and do the maneuver on her again here. We may follow up. Today's Wednesday, so I think Friday or Saturday, would be fine. And if you're continuing to improve, we're going to wean you off of that medication completely. The whole goal here is to get her off of those dangerous medications. If you're taking medication, it's not safe. It has serious side effects, especially if you've taken over more than 4 to 6 weeks. Let me know when I get to a pressure of 5 or a pain level of 5. Okay?
Good.
Right there? Okay. And I could hear the stomach. I don't know if you heard that, Rebecca? You did, yeah. Okay. And we're going to go ahead again, and I'm going to let you guys, I put the microphone near her stomach so you guys maybe can hear it. Let me know when we get to a 5 out of 10 pain level.
Good.
And I'm able to go a little deeper today than I was yesterday. We have some bloating to get through. So the fact that she had really good night's sleep is a really good sign, because I didn't feel like we got a ton of movement yesterday because I was trying to get through the bloating. But this will help reduce your bloating, your acid reflux, your GERD, your heart palpitations by taking pressure off of the vagus nerve. It's got an 85% success rate, and you should be doing this way before you do antacids and PPI medication, and certainly surgery, because once you've done the surgery, you cannot have this technique done, or you risk really undoing that surgery. So if you guys have any questions or comments, let me know. Comment below. Thank you guys so much. If you got anything from this video, or even if you just like this view of the Empire State Building and the Chrysler Building, give me a like, and don't forget to subscribe. Appreciate you guys.